Expression using operators in C. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical function. So there are different types of operators provided in C programming. Or first one is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators, bitwise operator, increment or decrement operators. Arithmetic operator. So the following table shows all the arithmetic operators supported by C language, right? Here the following arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. Here we can assume the value for A is equal to 10 and the value B is equal to 20. Here we can using arithmetic addition operation means A value is 10, B value is 20. That is A plus we are using the operator is plus, right? So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So as well as multiplication operation means 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. Then multiply two values means 200. Divide operation is there, modulus operations are there, increment operator is there, as well as decrement operator is there. So this is the arithmetic operator. Then relational operator. The following table shows all the relational operators supported by C. Here assume the value of A whole 10 as well as B whole 20. Then we are using the operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or is equal to, and less than or equal to. So these are the descriptions and we can assume the value for A and B, right? So we are assuming the value A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, A is equal to B. So it is not true, right? The second operator is not equal to. So here we can assume the value is A not equal to B. So the condition is true. Then greater than, A greater than is B is not true, A less than B is true, then A greater than or equal to B is not true, then A less than or equal to B is true. So until the condition will be satisfied, that is the relational operators. Then logical operator. The following table shows all the logical operators supported by C language. Assume variable A hold 1 and variable B hold 0. Then so the following logical operators are AND, OR, NOT, right? So here it is called AND operator. If both operand are non-zero, then the condition become true, right? So here both operands are not equal. So A and B is that is 1 and 0. It is the condition is false, right? Then the OR operator. If any of the two operand is non-zero, then the condition become true. So A and B is true. The next one is NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then the logical NOT will make it false. That is not A and B is true. So these are the logical operators. Next one is bitwise operator. In bitwise operator work on bits and perform bit by bit operation. The truth table for AND, OR and NOT is follows. That is P, Q, P and Q, P, R, Q and P, not Q. That is P and Q value is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then P and Q means 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then P, R, Q means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1. Then P not Q means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 is 1, right? Assume here A is 60 and B is 13. In the binary format, they will be as follows. Here the binary format of A of 60 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and B is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So here we can write about the binary format A and B, right? So A and B means we can write the first one 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. A or B means 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. A and B is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? Then in between the A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So these are the bitwise operator. The next one is the following table lists two bitwise operators supported in C. Here we are assume the value of A is 60 and B is 13. Here also using the operators and, right? It take 1 if both operand has a value 1, right? Then binary OR means operator copies the bits. If it exists in either operation, the output of bitwise OR is 1 if at least one corresponding bit of two operand is 1. So here we are using the A or B. Then XOR operator, 1 if the corresponding bit of two operand or opposite values. Then binary 1 complement and the flipped bits of 0 change to 1 and 1 change to 0. 0 to change 1 and 1 to 1 change to 0. That is 1's and 2's complement. Next one is binary left shift operator. The left operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand, right? That is a shift operator. Then right shift operator, the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. The next one is assignment operator. So the following table lists the assignment operator supported by the C language. First one is equal to. So the equal to means simple assignment operator. Assign values for right side operations to left side operation. For here we are using C is equal to A plus B means we will assign the value A plus B to C, right? C is equal to A plus B. The next one is plus equal to. And assignment operator, it add the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Then minus equal to subtract and assignment operator. Then multiply and assignment operator. So as multiply the and assignment operator means C is equal to C into A. Then divide and assignment operator. Then modulus assignment operator. Then left shift and assignment operator. Then right shift and assignment operator. Then ampersand equal, that is bitwise and assignment operator. Not equal to, that is bitwise exclusive and assignment operator. Then not equal to means bitwise inclusive or an assignment operator. So these are the example for this bitwise assignment operators. Then increment and decrement operator is nothing but plus increment, that is incremented by 1. For example, plus I or I plus, that is incremented by 1. Minus decrement by 1 means minus x or x minus. So these are the basic assignment operators in C, right? The next one is operator precedence in C. So the operator precedence in C is nothing but we can using some expression, that is x is equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned 13, not 20, because operator star has a higher precedence than plus. So it first get multiplied with 3 into 2, right? 3 into 2 and then add into 7, right? The table shows the higher precedence or lower precedence of operator. Here postfix, the priority level is open bracket close operators. When we are using the operators as an associative, it is left to right. Then unary operator, multiplicative operator, additive operator, shift. These are the categories we are used in the precedence of operator in a C language, right? Then expression. So expression is a combination of variable like a, b, m, n, likewise, right? That is constant values 3, 2 and 1. The operators are plus, slash and multiplication. So example C plus D. Here C and D are operand, plus is the operator, right? The next example is x divided by y plus b plus q star a, right? Then 3.14 into r into r. So these are the expressions using the C program. So algebraic expressions are a, b minus c. The C expressions are a into b minus c, right? Then m plus n into k plus j means m plus n into k plus j. These are the C expression. AB divided by C means a star b divided by c. Then 3x square plus 2x plus 1 means 3 star x and 2 plus 2 star x plus 1. These are the expression operators in C, right? So this is the basic operators using a C program. Thank you.